What's going on, you guys? Cameron here with another YouTube video, and in this video we're going to go over going from one layout to another. Right now I have just two layouts. One is just YouTube and the other one is YouTube 2. And let's say you have a database that you're working on and you're designing the layout and you have a button, or let's say you have a field, whatever it is that you want to click and go somewhere. This video is for you. So I'm just gonna name this go to layout 2. And when you have a button drawn out here and labeled, you have an action, and our action is going to be perform script. And we are going to create a new script, and it's just going to say go to layout 2, and your script step is as simple as go to layout. Now once you have the go to layout written out, it asks for your input on where you want to go, and for our case here we want to go to YouTube 2. Click OK. And YouTube, or I'm sorry, FileMaker has these animations. I don't believe animations work on desktop. I think it's only for FileMaker Go, I believe. But let's give it a shot and see. So this button is designed and already scripted to go to layout 2. This one's labeled wrong, but it is what it is. And now we're at layout 1. So now that we're on layout 1, let's say we want to go to the previous layout, or layout 1. I'm going to call this one layout 2. So go to layout 2. And this is going to be perform script. Go to layout. And we're going to go to layout, original layout, or YouTube 1. Click OK, click OK. And now I have two layouts that I can jump back and forth from with basic script step on go to layout and the layout name. So this is a very basic tutorial on how to program or do low code on a button to jump back and forth from a layout. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's short, it's simple, it's straight to the point. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me a lot, and I'm looking forward to expanding on this series of creating very short, simple script steps for FileMaker so that I can try and get through them all. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and until next time.